ye obiazi eye bi plaza e won kwantanum ye ne Pentecost asoda no e na ye opposite me akrobeto hotel way minum an bewu se me kobi krom a e hwa de meda bi plaza you can never resist. Your telephone number ni 0243 118500 0243 118500 B Plaza Hotel buku and sakwa no abeda ho and your sleeping tablet B Plaza. Sorry, B Plaza. Come there, enjoy yourself. You can't resist. Acrobato, I will enjoy the place. Thank you very much.
Aha, Nika, wakano ho. Hey, ofo wasi, enanso be badasem.
Kwa kumisi me mudi ya mi.
Ah, bisa. Atuadi. Bisantimenya kwa ine. Hey, bra. Nyabutre. Yenko bisa nyame heba clinic. Eya yarisa bia sronko a. Ho. Omu afidi a okwa wonsai na de atoso. Ebe kire yade woni paduanu na. Na owi wasan kire wanu aduru. Bisa nyame heba clinic. Umuni kokwa ama okwa minim kwa sade. Na de manyaw. Wa wi kontomlem no. Yenko say yes stroke, diabetes, koko. Enam yade bia. Say gonorrhea, syphilis, HIV. Eno kra de otenete ebe ye ho. Bisa nyame heba clinic. Obemu waduru atu asese ta. Na mo a etwe omo so no. Waduru ebe yini napie. Yade ontumi sa kwata. Ena chacha asa. Diake na soabra. Bisa nyame heba clinic. Oh how to betwa. Na de kra ne se oba ono ma card, folder. Ena se obehu dokota. Ni na ye kwa. Yenje ohwe. Enfidie do be fam ni na so untua bibia. Genya ne so kuta 50 Ghana ana 1 million 100 cedis. Ni amount say tam. Me pacho hwematia kwan e wa chimda. Quarters. Usi ya bisa kwadampo. Ya be cho ba bisa nyame heba clinic wo. Ana fre dokota pani e wo 0544 127 709. Ana se 0246 824 135. Bisa nyame heba clinic. Bisa nyame na obejo so. Basin abro ma nanonda. Say ya.
I want to see your face.
Hello, people of Atambo, Western everywhere. Beautiful girls, handsome guys. Party is here. Yes, I get the tenor party.
Yeah, the tenor party.
Golden City Park or the Calvin Boys. But live.
Me where she want. Another.
I love it.
Well, they say I be cool. Yeah, one. I time for any war. My first.
Yeah. No. Hey, free. And today, you say, Uber sort of from Sadinapa. Golden City Park. Epen Akim State University Pair. I watch Massene. 12 February. Nadia Doctorane say, hey, free entrance. Yan Joshi. And number Busu said, Tam. Eden Abenu. Ampaya Ebega. Sadan. DJ Sebehu. Hey, DJ Raphael. And DJ Kwesiata. MCs for the show. Microphone God. And a hitman. And Tumuma Yenina Yeshia. Na Sadan. Ebeye crowd.
Make I love you.
Kojo mama me wa ha utumi dan no bro wan boa me a ene medofi he ya me ko ba bia mai o yare e de na ha mimmu bisisi me da kwa mitumi na wopa ma me nko machin samra na cheke me nante say good a ha ho o gira on pokra mahu yentuka se siai me do ko boakwa heba clinic ewo achim oda bangalo ahonjo junction ho a ajabo to fie ho ewo ya wo boy ni osisi a odi betumi puni ne nyina betu akọ prakope boakwa heba clinic Dr. Ufori eda no o good medical background ni pompempem a wason yade no anu ntimi nka yema mu ha ana monone hepatitis, typhoid, diabetes, ulcer, emuyade, ohona mu ne tutu, sisi mu yawo, kronko yade be, pressure na also, prostate, beka yade be na maja yade be. Doctor ibete ne te amwasi udadem. Na doctor sa, ono mu ye adwuma no, omo nimde enti ohombeto tie. Ayaresabie kutamfidi papa, omo krafi amonone. Ebine massaging equipment, diagnostic equipment. Omo sawo detoxification machines. Machine yade atwe efin ane no mabone a amwo ni padua no efin ni padua nim de hom no se o ma na ya bibidro no mo de wafa emfidie mu ahu ya de kro ansana o mo de account o mo ya adwuma abrebia o mo giri nipa honti o mo no border from kra o mo number 0240 22 69 24 ana 0248 503 189 yanko boakwa heba clinica ewo achimoda bangalo ahonjo junction ajabo de fiewa na obesi pi na wasiu dadam boakwa heba clinic ya boa mo pomdin asipi
Bema, na obam peble yo ne nam he na o sha asrafo atade.
Hey, obabra me se me ho kra dwure me. Eye suku bi obi di ho adanse kire me o. Enene asesa me ba ya bra boy. Se wa twere wasi so he ya twere. Na se wuntwa bomodi na kopie mu o.
Hey, na suku ben kwa no no.
Eye Great Omega Academy.
Great den.
Great Omega Academy. A na kire kwan no wo ko forubia kokrantumi. Apue mantemu he ya.
Sa e pue mantem he ya. Number da ben.
Oba bra Mrs. Sukui e ba ye enyene. Se wo na wotutua so nko ade a wo kyerɛ so hwe a wotwa. Omoye courses ni bi te say general art, visual art, business, home economics, general science, and afi technical. Baby a obeda so podie. E mane nyi wadwendwe Sukuu no hostel kese e won mo de amasuafo.
Unia ene fa me ko ho no men.
Ewra ji pani kwa kyerɛfo ne number na friend na gi mu nkyeremu. Eye 0243 21 4720 ana 0543 90 9502. Great Omega Academy. Impossible is possible.
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehunama toso fefefe sei.
Classic ointment said you see a namuno see a kasi ye kan ho asoma kade ba chi ni nwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mre ko pa bie die se ekro na gu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ.
Classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ.
Ointment ne powerful pa.
Hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ne aloe vera, papaya, petroleum jelly, cassia alata. Honam na ni ba bia ekro pimples eyam ana propro aguo no. Eno ane se anopa ne nwumre bia wadware wie no. Wode classic ointment no bi ebesere mu. Na be hu se yes, ointment papa bi obabi.
Me the classic ointment esiesie me ho ama agye me se enye nanso pharmacies, chemical ne herbal shops.
Ane titru wo hene na herbal koforidua. Frisia ba ko ensan Kumasi Edu, Urepash Heba, Okaishi Accra, Netufo so afre 0544 791 600 and 0500 799 833.
FDA aji ejedi nkratu yato.
Hey, Kweku, a gentleman, you don't want to suffer.
And yes, okay. And to them to no credit. And Jawadu, Amuntia, I some amper watching, and almost in Sano. Some amper watch set would this should be filmed. Say, your mamma, or papa, or bar, Bema, Penny, and Aquada, or the Nuka dance some amper watch. Won't you see can we cry? One best yes, Nipano, Akran and Kakranka, Craft, Fafa, Konakono, I'm obey you woman, or Dahua North Resa, Virgin Saffin, and in cheerful. Say, wow, this should be filmed. Make and put some amper watch. I'm on say, a home, and in the right place, also do the Shanuko. Say na ye nim sem se nipa de ofim no abusua an bon to tom se be ye wa yi a ye mochiri ene do ko entenu ne sam ampa moch enfo ni ntra ba bia na obe yi udi hye no sansre enam kwan be fa so asiesie nipa dua no wani ba jikeke sam ampa mochiri e wo mo from junction wa bra wudi wani akere achim asanteman kwan no bon so sani fa so a ye twida ne fita ebuo hyepe e hon so kama me pa cho de from keke e was 0208 360777 and now say 0550 420 202 Sam ampa mochira na nipadua no be yi no na otisa de osati asia moja di no mofrisane me say Sam ampa mochira na rest as you live.
Malaria ya banana drew na bo tenate. Fix Herbal, the Fix Mala mixture. Wa boni pitu, wa boni bede. Na otu malaria se prekupe na aba. Se wuti yo wenu mato. Wa powder sisi wiye. Ako aspiti ana akwa test ma wosi enya malaria. Ma malaria nzi unye bio. For Fix Mala mixture na obama wa pomuzin prekupe. Kwa drugstore ana pharmacy shop ne benya Fix Mala mixture ato. Na se pendudu etwa ko Fix Herbal wo adenta kantamansu. Ana fre 1 wo 020-844-4442. 020-844-4442. Fix Mala mixture dri. Obi a wenyin san. Anorma bofraba enufu. Ana bofraba onzi mfidwe bien mfa. Fix Mala mixture. Enkratuyi FDA apenodo.
Na me say, every bra me hu wo. The bia we are active, very strong and energetic.
We are 100%. Na ni nyina ne sade me hwe me ni padua sofa. Na de boa me mama hoden, mama timi ko bada. Ene Tabia Zanika Herbal mixture.
Tabia Zanika Herbal mixture. Ah, what do you want dance here cheme?
Ho dance here de. Enya wonko. Me de dawure na ato so. Na media tran nipa mpempem. Tabia Zanika Herbal mixture. Ma to ne de nyame sa wonoma. Emenkwamu a ewo nipadua no mu a ye fra mu asojafo. Eye white blasters na hoden. Enti nipadua nya hoden soronko. Kutia yare ahodo bebre. Enti wonta nyare. Enti na da me strong no. Eye general well-being of the body. Enti ye adwuma ewo nipadua na kwa no mu ba bia.
Me am to me who. And yourself was here be here.
Eya busuan chamfa. So obi de ne ho to tabia Zenica Herbal Mixture so a. Eden so obeyare. Na nya na e oba bia tonto aduro bia. Hye ne nso se. Obi a onya mfinhye dumienu. Apemfo ene abatan a oma omanofo entimi no bi. FDA ahwehwe sa adwade nkratomo mu agye tumi se ye.
You see, there are men who are really ready to marry. Owosika woni bibia. Nenso, akoba, Joe, Metra, I love you can't anything. Also your bar, who have feye. Nenso, a mema nemba. Last year, Odon Tabain on a Hinkan FM was really interesting. This year, you're spicing it up with Odo Interbind Dating Arena. Under, inti say wire crowd sa wo pesa wo ware. Bra Hinkan FM, bepeke forms. Shayon oba ope, shayon berima ope. Na jai ejuma na akanomai. Na ye best sort you out. Yampan kwara, if it's a yen din kwala grow. Age rate, 25 years and above. Odo Interbind Dating Arena. Yabe boa na wonya that perfect man or perfect woman. Na wa shenikawa.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Ejuma. Yo, Charlie Radio so aye tasty. Fi se mitie kwa bena costi. Ewo Ahenkan FM 93.3.
Well, we gonna sing us some Jamaican song.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed
But
day.
if we sing them, you gotta get out of those seats and you gotta dance like you're really from Jamaica. Or your parents were from Jamaica. Parents were from Jamaica. But I want you to be true to who you are.
Have a blessed day.
And I won't turn back, 'cause I want to see my Jesus someday. I got my mind made up, and I won't turn back, because I want to see my Jesus someday. Come on, everybody sing. I've got my mind made up, and I won't turn back, because I want to see my Jesus. Goodbye world, I stay no longer with you. Goodbye pleasures of sin, I stay no longer with you. I made up my mind to go God's way. The rest, that's it. I made up my mind to go God's way. The rest of, come on, say it again. Say it. Goodbye world. They say, born again. Thank God I'm born again. Everybody say, born again. Thank God I'm born again. Try it again, say, born again. Thank God I'm born again. Let me hear you say it now. Born again. Yes, sir. Thank God I'm born again. They used to say,
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscalina and I'm tuning to Kabna Kwesti.
I've got my mind made up, and I won't turn back, 'cause I want to see my say this. Goodbye world, I stay no longer with you. Goodbye pleasures of sin, I stay no longer with you. I made up my mind to go God's way. The rest, that's it. I made up my mind to go God's way. The rest of, come on, say it again. Say it. Goodbye world.
I've made up my mind to go God's way the rest of my life.
They say,
born, born, born again. Thank God I'm born again.
This is your girl Chris Carolina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costi.
Watching out.
Yes, sir. They used to say,
that's the written to. Watching out. And I won't turn back, cause I want to see my Jesus someday. I got my mind made up, and I won't turn back, cause I want to see my Jesus. Alright, so this song always brings back memory. So I remember, back in school, I went to SU. And you see, so anytime I play this song, it brings back memory. And I don't want to, share that memory with you. Well, it's quite interesting. Beautiful Tuesday morning, 8th day of the month, February. And in the year 2022, beautiful music. So think my clicking on this one. Come on, man, made up. And we're here on your radio from 9 to 12 p.m. Folks, as usual, we're here to serve you with good music and what else, whatever you need. We're here to give you the best experience of radio. And trust me, I am your host with the most, I'm seated. And you already know I don't do this alone. So big thank you to my production team, Akosia the Padumas, DJ Shabu, Mr. Charles, Nana Topahin, Agegeman Ben Kumnifa. So we are here from 9 to 12 p.m. And we're ready. Yes, we're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Oh, hey. All right, so good morning. I hope you are doing good. Yeah, I love to, to know you are good. Never. Cause I want to see my Jesus someday. Hey, I got my mind made up, and I won't turn back. Cause I want to see my Jesus someday. Hey, I got my, hey, here we go. Hey, what's your name? 25 after the outfit, and as usual, I hope you are doing good. Love says, I'm staying no longer with you. I've made up my mind to go God's way the rest of my life. I've made up my mind to go God's way the rest of my life. Goodbye, world. I'm staying no longer with you. Goodbye, precious of sin. I'm staying no longer with you. I've made up my mind to go God's way the rest of my life. Watch it now. There go.
They say,
born again. Thank God I'm born again. Alright, so if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Antitan, if you speak F1, break up your point to me. If you speak Awazaya there, Fralauni. If you speak Rushi Kwita, if you speak in Zamakwa, they are fun to today. And if you do speak Swahili, yes, Habari Yako. Maybe I'm going to call the air. Maybe I should say, yeah. I'm more cover be able to buy him 93.3 FM. You're from a Jenny, me champion boy in cast most from a Bruce Money. And now Branty for the perfect gentleman. No fine check a see point come Brad David and come a Pasco and come a Stagger, Raul, Bright Weezy, me this year, Obama, time, Kedarati Papa B. And also to the taxi drivers in town. I want to say, me Yadamu Bruta. Good morning, son. Come on, me wa fast Jadine. Okay, mommy. Rejoice of your being and also mama Jaji. Hey, yeah, MP3 munya want to say. Alright, so my bro, yeah, motivational message. But listen, you know, sometimes you need to listen to yourself, not the noise of the world. Only you know what is right for you. So I urge you to, do what you think or you feel it's right for you. Good morning. I hope you're good. Nango ponto insurance you go be ejuma so no pay. Ya boy ejuma. One that's it. Eti nyanko pon ankaza. Ponto insurance you go be ejuma so no pay. Oh, can you man? Kokofo mo amu yi tray mo tom I will turn pure water, taxi. In fact, I did our turn provision store. Maybe I will be on. And that day, me crowd that Tuesday. Oh, Pama dear, Nanko Ponto insurance you go to Mass on pay. Can you man? Drop our message for 0594-841-044 0594-841-044 and I say go Facebook I think 93.3 FM on Facebook and I'll feel could you message in your photo making come on. Well, my personal WhatsApp so I mean you can just send them through and I read them for you. Yeah, this is why I'm here. Just send them through 0594-841-044. Mama sent a message. I'm not deleting about this message was deleted. I hate that. I don't like it at all. Stop it.
On those streets of the globe.
Oh my days. I love being on radio each and every day. Trust me. Yeah, I must confess I love being on radio. And I have to find your guys and come on 17 and me call. Me come on 7. Okay today. Oh, massa. Oh, who nyame friends me tan kan wasem. My friend, come back here. Right, so 30 after 10. My motivational message in the GV. But in the meantime, good morning.
My mind made up and I won't turn back because I want to see my Jesus someday. The mid-morning show. I want to see my Jesus someday. The mid-morning show. I got my mind made up and I listen. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
before my enemies, even in my weakness. You've been merciful to me. I don't pay my dream and Casa me what did I eat this morning? Me did you ask my voice in by? No, I don't pay. You see, anyway, me too on key, but I just don't. Shabu, bring the song back. So why don't you tell for me? I'll be paid down nine. Back on me a hand for. Where's the for? Oh boy, me, I'm not sure of this morning too. I'm not very need you. Nah, then, my voice is impressive, baby. I'm me there. Prepare send a message for 50594841044. When we be doing birthday and I be sure wait me send it about my can come. We said I say good morning, Kobina Costi. I'm Erica inside Abu Peace Town. Please, I want to ask if you used to work at Chiman FM. Okay. Yes, Erica, I used to. This one says, you have really remembered me the time we go for music rehearsals. We mostly dance with this music when we are rehearsing this same music you played. Okay, blessed is the one who wake up today still possession of the gift of life, no matter how tough life is. Seeing another sunrise is a blessing. It's a good day. Okay, I'm about to offer the answer for 0594841044 0594841044 SMS and I say call Facebook. Me patcho me nya WhatsApp, we WhatsApp no became agege man. Me nim dia men kan agege man bi. Me patcho ye SMS nko 0594841044. Me kan ma ni tipa. Makacho say wa wo men kasa so me number no so no wait me twa tum sa. Na for my preparation simple gra. It's a mama motivational message is here. Now, me patrol, most of the be I mean we didn't come our Color Studios. Alright? Okay, pa Color Studios. When we didn't come the be. Now, what them say promotion be back so Color Studio na. Now, me anka say me yin kofo be free. So this morning, me and Colors we in the studio now for Mrs. Studio. Yeah, we hire your office here. And no I say promotion be about. Now, me di hun come out. If you am for one and then if you am for every honka hon. Nobody come on about Color Studios. It is a who call photo shooter. And opportunity Valentine ba all the sweethearts no. I mean who call picture frame near the man and abotre the TV. Remember fella this is here. You see back the birthday, Val's Day be your tea. Some of us we are sick and tired of box sex, singlet, champagne, biscuit, chocolate. Oh, come on! I analog. Mr. Moment call the digital star gagra. Yeah, Color Studio. I mean, call picture frame near that there for man. What's back up printed at the kind of. I mean, Oshawe says so on this Val's Day, my sweetheart got me this. No one can Charlie, wa check it how sexy it is. And. Sisi ada yes ya pel ow yeah we say what we try ka you see so let me announce to you so on Val's Day some of us ye no be am for MP in fact yes for MP but ye juma ye jama ye ho say be say if you want to surprise your girlfriend or if you want to surprise your husband your wife or you know your boyfriend just give us a call, yeah, baba. And to say, open money chocolate. Sometimes, you know, you may need people to be doing the wow, we are available. Myself, I'm available. Me what teamer. Me no by say Juma. And you know, maybe if you want to, you know, propose to her, open money ring be near there. Definitely, you might, you know, need people who are going to clap and who will be shouting, ow, wow, woo, yeah. I mean, yeah, bonus that form come up. So you pay us, you come and do the wow like ambulance for you. Pay you now for day. Never work for pan. Remember to 0245204895. My boy phone number is one say the fast. No my friend. Oh Friday, what be wow now. Don't pay that for there. Charlie, I'm such a romantic guy like me. So if you want to get your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or your husband, your wife a chocolate on Val's Day, and you want people to be doing wow, if you want to propose as well, wow, I'm available. Number boy now, wow, with me picking the fast to call me. That's my personal number. Offer now for your didn't come on here. Mama discount also. Sagani Obatiantia. The wow will be like 40 to 50 seconds. But so you heavy power, you below pound, yeah. Trust me, you better wow like 3 years, and also so that it comes with a huge amount. But if you are really all this can call you for a heavy girlfriend. It is hard there. You bet my wow now 3 years granny. I'm available. Me myself and my team. Kobe, do you want to join? Yeah. Okay. It's there you can say bonus money be my info. All right, my mama motivational message and pay.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
All right, so have a blessed day. Man like Kobe praise good morning. Kobe so Friday time I offer every day. Now I make shit. Now I go throw my car for the gutter inside. Saturday Friday we are show. I think that much dancing there we Kobe praise to the Kobe share me my show offer every. I took out not got the move we are offer. So all right, so what happened yesterday no longer matters. Today is another day. Get back on the right track and move closer to your dreams. Yes, you can do it. Our daily dose of motivation this morning. And I'm kind of simple, dear man. Alright, so in the meantime, I will say our daily dose of motivations is always brought to you by Color Studios and Vigata Embroidery. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Now, I no one can. And come on, I mean, with about Color Studio. So on 14 February, Color Studio will be 1 year. Yes. Color Studio is 1 year. It's your birthday. Your hip, hooray. So Kiki will be like, my daughter will be like, hip, hooray. For this guy, so Color Studio will be 1 year this 14 February. So there will be a free photo shoot on Monday. Now listen, party me. They say Val's Day way. Ubedia manaya there, Ubedia manaya corner. You need to treat your woman or you need to treat your man very special. And as you always know, picture here, dear, nipa rain feeder. Picture there, what have you? So why don't you, take her to a proper photo studio? And that is Color Studio. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Now listen. Nakopon Ayadoma, you been 1 year, a few year 14th. And there will be a special treatment. And she's a per se. I'll call you picture framing. Put in a picture, call you framing neat pan out the cobble them. And I be bisa colors zebra. Ultra pictures are free, but terms and conditions apply. And the terms is listen. So I see ultra picture no Marco fan said 10 you pay for only 7. What I say? Ultra 5 you pay for only 2. I mean what check it. Ultra 10 you are paying for 7. Ultra 5 you are paying just 2. Pay on up there way a free Xmas, Vows Day Bonanza, the man, Xmas here, the Yakuina Mama Yale, Vows Day Bonanza, any of the man, that form call. Yeah, way, because our birthday is fast approaching. It's Michelle Pan, Color Studio Zebra, Nabrema, a woman, and our man, special treatments. Say a birthday pictures a crowd with your bra. Save the date pictures out with your bra. I mean, romantic pictures as well with your bra. From Wachinako or Honami Yejuma. It's heavy girls now move up romantic pictures for Vals Day. No more flowers, bibe gugu stage in so. Kale you go show 1,000 more. Me I go there. Me I go hold the light, no. Share. Kobe praise. Nanka be matiantian nanka o heavy girl for ho be. Be matiantian nanka heavy girl de nanka for ho be. Kobe ya fa ne Color Studio. And now for man special treatment. So Color Studio watchem odan Liberty Transport opposite wa na obehunu be bi o wona onsa no. Be pa cho sa usu we chire and I would see now so pay further enquiries here. I think there are more you'd want to know. And to fresh 0245 276 0245 Color Studios and Negative Broadway. Now, I am call back to the motivational message. They say what happened yesterday no longer matters. Today is another day. Get back on the right track and move closer to your dreams. Yes, you can do it. So what happened yesterday? I was so you through a brabo. It's an amped for cancer and be said, Nia, a chemone de yam jaman in Chemuko. And I said, the amone dino, Yanja no more dear. Now they come home, never see a bomb buying. It is a wire BB, and now fish a dear be an amobia 2 years. May a big mistake be and I be our far a quite be our fast one boy man problem can see better toast Mr. Near a Chemono man in Chemonco. Now for Niakano Bohoban, make sure say I won't come back to sa situation mobile. Maybe our fire and Koyamano. The Akano, I was so Bohoban now who's now be Sifa. I trained to walk on your own cause our problem the mobile. Exams of what happened yesterday no longer matter. Many of you didn't come out just recently, and not share me say ever since break it up with the ex, and your man a koye pan the man. And now you say, not the ex, was sorry to say a bad luck. That was what he said. Said not or in a bad luck. Now CCA who said no man koye am you listen. And not because she was a bad luck, but probably. One call info be obebo and near Chemono money trouble call money dinda the Johnny Dimboni albono nemo full na was sakano. I mean you make sure say on so repeat mistake I can repeat ni bi and say full na was obon ho ban now trend now making sure say be okay sanet ya obi so adi ni sika ko share business bi ma and the can kwan ebre no paper cho and na nyankopon adom watumi free sa problem no. Make sure say obeto to wa kwan yi na on fa osika san ko share problem bi mu biem Mr. Diakano and I was so bon ho ban na wo time management na we timi manage one kasa our life nso ye and now for problem bi ama wa kwan na de atwam no mane ntwam nko na get back on the right track na move closer to your dreams but time pempen so opese wo duro no na ma woni nya den na duro ho na mom de esi na atwam no to twene man kai man fire no kwa adwendwe mu man no enya wo problem da bia wo adwen to twene ba bi kra na bomoden na ma woni enko foforo no so na ma woni enko nya wa hyase no so se na be ya you be able to get closer to your dreams. So even if you can't reach your dream, you'll be able to get closer to your dream. So this morning, this is my daily dose of motivation. 0594841044 text message. Bet me send it about I'll do justice to them. I can kind of sharp crowd about. Alright, so now Unique Diploma College we offer 6 months to 1 year UK professional diploma equivalent to HND. So if you really need a diploma in accounting and finance, diploma in human resource management, diploma in marketing and advertising, diploma in customer service, diploma in project management, diploma in business administration, business management and administration. My partner know about Unique Diploma College. I work more than here. The certificate, you know, recognized in the whole world. On paying up there, no matter the form pan. Mr. Scholarship on air course 50% scholarship air course. I'm a first 50 students. A year sponsored by some foreign donors. It's a patch offer away. It will end on 28 February 2022. And to make up I'm going to 50% scholarship. Nafa offer. A year diploma courses nina. Now we are now upon yadama obe gaining admission into any university of your choice. And now for in your my chimia course you come panama level 200, level 300 national service assured after completion. Halfway so your unique college remedial classes. You try washing so and you know so person win 8 A's now person try washing be we shall admit you in SHS3 and offer you 1 year intensive classes to write both WASI and remedials in the following courses: general arts, business, visual arts, home economics, agric, and our general science. Fees are very moderate and affordable, and we also have boarding and hostel facilities. It's a Michelle, yes, it's to Mikabra Unique College, and as a Unique Diploma College, 100% passing rate is assured with free computer classes and also free biometric registration for Novdek remedial students. You watch more than Kwame no way upon sign regular classes at Koso, weekends at Koso, and our friends with evenings and so air Koso. And if Freya was 054077936 054077936 054077963 number over friend now what's happening on Mrs. Subium 054077963 054077963 Yashibra I catch you already 100% 8 A's is assured. Buakwa Health Clinic. I watch more than Bangalore. About typhoid, febrile, malaria, sectional weakness, infertility, skin rashes, even to us here. Buakwa Health Clinic. Yenya manufacture Buakwa you make sure. Buakwa team is the Mespin Health team. Yeah. Bra. We give you the best from an experienced medical practitioner, Dr. Ofori or Berjumapa. And the Arabia to be a Kawashade Mepacho or last shop and as our last stop. Buakwa Health Clinic. I want a chum or down Bangalore. Jabwa team Fioa, 100 Johnson, Maxi Baba Saloon opposite our Bangalore, and I'll be Yanni Emerald School Junction and the Dinshani. Mepacho Frey was 0240-226924, 0240-226924, and 0248-503-189 for further details. Now what friend now for your sort to ask. Hashtag where your land day. You go to task as it. Anna, your mind there, Anna. As I say, no problem. 0553 044 069 0553 044 069. No friend. Fixed man capsules. I am a medro. Fixed man capsules. I am a medro. Fixed man capsules. I am a medro. Fixed man capsules. In fact, my man in a no money at Janessa. It was Bema de was so it's me bomb match, no. 1 Tiakoma, 3 points plus 3 goals. Monya Kotokura, 3 points plus 1 goal, they be a Comatiasa. Baobo fixed man capsules are but 3 points plus 3 goals. Not just a lady, no, or quite best ababi. Maybe I just say, oh, wife on so there, and I saw the Tatawan, sir. But say, when movie there, at the point one squad in India, at the point one leg, nobody be there. They be our friend for return match. Don't Canada. At the point here, I don't know first man, ama. On where they bet my match by 16. Hombre, because first man a budge, my pa. First man castles, maybe I have some man and can be the boy now face who may overtime it, you know. It's me Jan and also come upon waist pain, general pain, and offensive back pain, but to us here at the amount. They will fix Mala mixture, treating malaria, fever, headache, cold, dizziness, ever to us here, offensive skin rashes, heat rashes, foot rot near the ones who do a fix Arabella ointment. Available in all pharmacy, chemical, and herbal shops. Okanshi Ubeko Kings Walk Herba, Angel Herba, Nanabuachi Herba, and Alfred Kodibia Enterprise, Okanshi, and our Shaman Subeko Wisdom Enterprise. Kaswa for Cabinet Genum Chromo for Monko, Tribe of Judah, Hona Ubenya, Fix Herba and Rony Binya top. Oko Adenta in Crying Cataman Sonsoa, Fix Herba for us, where Hona be warm. About your friend, that's a WhatsApp one. That was 0208 444442. 0208 444442 and 0302 902 071. Now, Faith, we'll come out to one time. My patch of our messages in 0594 841 044. Ejuma Juma. Osahin. Otonde. Then I way. Send the brand I can come out. Yeah, boy Juma. I'm not paid yet. You know what? Well, one of born homes at your name, man. Kaboom. There is I name, man. I'm say Kofi cannot anyway. Your name, man. I think it was Kenata. Kenata and very funny panel. Your name, man. Mother, any umbrella, any Bible, I can Bible museum. Mother, man, my idea. At the point is the way the Panama met than as a Panama mean. At the point, him, I mean, him said, the money boy, Juma discover fee. What to chroma on a man. Oh, my Miss Ganjas and your miserable. I mean, no case. ODI Electronics. ODI Electronics. Me pachosa upe TV, upe fridges, gas cookers, deep freezers, blender, kettles, washing machines. Offer ODI Electronics. Prices in that form. TV I over to watch more than have a Jano over Tonoboko. Oh, see them said I'm comforting TV or chroma. Comforting kettles, washing machine, and I compare washing machine and cosifi. Price we are quantity the bomb dreams. Ah, Papa. Mentor shop in your me pair wing quantity seeing going see I. That's him and assassin shop in your account. Hey, washing my copy, that's small one song. Some price the man mentioned. I make us say, Bia or cast me toss up Honomania. I say, be me pay one. I want me pay for you, be crocodile. The patch of all the electronics say. And you want that form, the boy for a quality so. And the boy that form essentially a quality. Paying up there. Mr. Brachima boy in kind of premises here. I about social bafu koto. Bafu koto. Kola koto kutampa fodi. Na hwe be ma fo a. Uza kwa na onyansam obekapa. Ntunya do reception on na otiwo. Na oni di nkomo be sort out. Na person friends so 0550 900 600 0550 900 600 0550 900 600. Ana obetimi be hu okoto. And then obi ka cham so okoto afun se ni obuntu zuton. Hey, kofo no ehia o. Obi baka makama yese na afun se obuntu zuton. Adamu obuntu. Na fond ya soso na fond ya. Na mama fond soso so mama no kan sempa. Ana ko bi uzime bwa. No. Rather young go for. Hope now but I did my radio service and I'm yale. I kind sounds a bot time. Young Casa baby. Brabaji call you program while over the other say 0543 350934 0540350934 and 0542 741 651. I'm coming home, bro. Me call baby, I'm a Shahaya from my brand part of perfect gentleman. What's my friend Cobina Costa? What's my friend boys in your down for 4? Guess they no lie, cry. They be a pay oneself. I saw for bands with them 4 bad down for saying. I'm fat. My boss is here.
Ghana Kuafue, Adama West Africa, Emma Jumo, Adama West Africa, a agrochemical company, what Israel. Now, what Nasia human who say, a Kuafue Tom Nebia, if we had to meet Jim Funina at the bosso, knitted through any esre, say esre, Naju for bossodia, and an American for a Jill at the amount. Would you know maybe to say, Enkruma, tomatoes, Nyadua, watermelon, Meko, Ayoyo, Anafe, Abroba, Abra, esre nefi for fra ebano, if you Agil, no first spray, esre swanson, wet to a quakutim, and as I would wet him per now the Agil, a spray, esre Ninaso, Shanoson, Mema, esreni nyibebre ansa na the agile akwaku spray so de hia se obehwe 10 tomatoes enketo ano no ahye ba akopɛ de agu kafukafu afidie yi mu na do ensuo 15 liters afra wo di spray pɛ wawie wadwuma se wo de agile spray wafu ase a ɛma enhyerɛne a wo no ban na agu no entingu ɛno akyi no akuafo ɔmo nso dua bibi te sɛ beans enkateɛ ana fe so ya beans no ɔmo nso hwehwɛ vezil ekumfue na se prekopɛ edi free sa no bɛyɛ ase de sɛ wo yɛ nie unya hu sɛ emfue na hyase e ba pɛ hwehwɛ vezil na first spray na se wo di spray so pɛ ubetu emfue na se nyinaa wotɔ vezil a betimi de spray wafu na se empre nwɔtwe ɛno kro ya nso spray 1.5 acres ɛyɛ ano afa 30 mils anaasɛ obesusu atra yɛ dididie no miɛnsa na wodi nsuo 15 liters afra benya bia tɔ ɛwɔ agrochemical shop bia ɛbɛn wɔ Ghana fa na nyinaa anaasɛ wobɛfrɛ 0544 325 030 ana 0270 575 030 Adama West Africa Ghana kuafo yɛ jimudi
Anobites ye duro bi ana misisi pa ya me yeye enso me no anobites no aboa me
ado no manumbi na me to ase ntini mu na na etwetwe me pa na mu hwehwe me se de nyame ado me nyina ejan
maduro no aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom 1 bottle ti sei me ne yire da be 30 minutes nti maduro no de eye pa san fabra mo
me di de ya mesa e to anobites e kono me ne ka so aboa me pa na me sisi na ye me ya na beto no mo ye eno ame no mo ye ekọ bibia akọ kama de sei me tim bo adwuma yi
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bi a eye se me ne me yire ehia mu a sisi a na me ho asani me e ma me tumrika Tobi menom ye no yare no akọ
asha no bi tese no de za pa ase mi si ye ya to ya nso no me ni nyina akọ me ka tere wo bi o no ma no bi tese ne ya za pa ebe boa na ma na yare bi o no ya
ano heba bitters na ano heba capsules enure yu ko tobi atoni mienu ebom ubanya bi ato ewo atemoda ha ochini ba drugstore na Ghana ha drugstore bia heba shop bia ubanya bi ato
Awofo me wo good news bi e de mamo se wonim se enkane no na se wo ba ko private nursing school a wo yam hyehyew se ebia na wonya adwuma anye Ghana ban adarumenti sade no atwem enumti se wo pese wo ba be ye dachi nurse ni kese pandia ene me kanfo bi Mass College e the amount esuku fees e da form boko eye courses bi ti se BSc nursing, diploma in registered midwifery, diploma in registered general nursing, diploma in medical laboratory technology, certificate in family healthcare, near a chat worker, a yes certificate in professional IT, bra, na yen show computer software and hardware, and a afe camera installation, admission, ewo homa woma, wonya 6 passes, ewo wasi in Soshemu, be Mass College wo affordable and moderate hostel, ema woma wo free a tree eba, ewo spacious lecture halls, and a library. Na wonim, student biya wo ho kwan se woji loan, metre student trust loan, which Ghana card, enti umpewe na upede. Be Mass College wo Agona Swedru, near Ben Swedru School of Business. For more enquiries, contact our email on info@bimascollegegh.com or visit our website www.bimascollegegh.com. Over to me Freyen, it was 0551 528 154 0546 264 129 and now 0332 095 776. Bimas College, Yateti Adachi and Nurse for Papa.
Bring it on.
Oh yes, we yeni gisem edimade hyenema omo achim odane ne mpatamu. Titiri wonoma epe akonya akọ senior high school. No makotwe wasi sori no atwa ne yemu. Esan say National Senior High School e wasantemantemu aye sanemra ne say Great National abepiemu ewo wodan ne mpatamu a eye ni gisem son kokra. Courses na wo yeni bi eye business, general arts, visual art, home economics, general science, general agriculture, general business certificate of examination, remedial classes in so what the touch what the amount great national and fast track remedial akaboma was what the classes by so at the amount ewo range experimental JHS and no ewo achimoda nkwantenum ECG office edan achiri wonoma classes no echa se awia no miensa 3 pm fiti duada ekopim efiade bia enu nti wasi 2022 no ko na ko register ewo great national opese fire forms ni bia for ni chire mu ewo achimoda stop over fast track for 110 in one ma from penny for I was 0244 92 36 36 Tianibiem 0244 92 36 36 Fred Great National was say your 8 A's dream is done deal. I am standing tall, bring it on.
Something you've never experienced before is about to happen. Yes, Akem Odan, are you ready? Marvel City Entertainment and Marvel City Band present Marvel Fest 2022, the pre-Valentine edition. Good music, they say feeds the soul. A night to show love and enjoy good live band music made in Akem Odan. Yes, I mean live band music. So come, let's party together at A2 Pub. Always with the king of high life music in Odan, Echo Marvel. Also performing live, Joey Popkin, Kwame Nkanza, Roy X Taylor, Coke J, Dasibeba Kwame, and Sean Sticker. It's happening on 12 February 2022. 15 cool CDs for single and 20 CDs for double. Just look nice with a touch of red. Tickets available at Ahinkai FM, Achimasa FM, Ophir FM, A2 Pub, or call 0553 379187 for ticket delivery. Come and let's have good time together. Live band music made in a Kemoda.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense were back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the Duanwa, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina etimi banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buying every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are dimpinti. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you are Maymu Babia Yato in row, at to 0246 20 8496. Imbus Haba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na die fia ye hrampa o.
Ha, eya ban 20 ena ma efia ye hwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eya JA ban ni na call limited. Ena wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne na nsen kwada nyoma ni ate se wan. Eya parazo enu ana me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni na afiro. Na dia ba de na wo de ahohura poto bi de isi.
Eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia. Papa pata susu nyina so ate se wan no.
Na nsen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Hu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medeta wo. Eya JA Bani Snake Reparent na me de atu o ma sesa no.
Enu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedem a wahoro won sai hu ana. Ai enu aso na me de wohoro ncha si mu nyina da.
Ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan. Fa no mo wo.
JA Bani wo mo nioma no. Wo benya bi ato wo kuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase boga odan Ghana commercial bank enedi enemushe se wo peni do so po matua wo benya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso omudin ni body say
eye JA Binding and Co Limited
ja me dru ho sesi a
Hele banjo why go Masa St Andrews asembubu wayek machine biemo Afie we die eye buta
7As 6As and 5As no abruso
enti sesei sa wo beto forms e wo St Andrews SHS a the results ni bi na hwansa
Afie we ye the 999 candidates and a quatrain emu 997 and a qualify ye ko university
wow we die e buru adwen ene ntiase so
eno nti se wako school bi akofeli poto
e mane hawo kra
for ani tremu St Andrews SHS say St Andrews ebi akwanya ama omo ko form 3
enti ma wonye ha na befa forms na tre wasi May June exams no bi afia ebe
enti masa akwanya we mpa ho fisa me hu yanka na ka echi
enti fresisi a na je wo SHS 3 admission forms
0244 696911 and 0207 891004 St Andrews SHS
we are always
in the lead.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Yeah. Xylophone music.
Okay. Tryna when I but try friend 3 times daily. Follow no IG, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. Friend said ya ufa moja drono. When in the chat, I don't ask unnecessary questions. Hello. Did you wonder? My own yes, my own nika, check your branding. I let her feel important to shop back one and answer. And in the concert, winning guitar, I wanna concert. Make up talk for you, you tired too much. Maminya between her. Maminya between her. Oh, feel it girl, and I say, want to make a maminya between her. Maminya between her. Yeah, Odomu doctor, Odomu teacher, Odomu lawyer, maminya between her. Odomu Johnson, girls look and I'm one. Yeah, we be one you know. Up and I know, then I know by you. Into maybe few weeks, my line I set ya now. Shoddy never feel ya now. It's straight tree, girl never fall ya now. Girl never fall ya now. Girls look and I'm one. Yeah, we be one you know. Up and I know, then I know by you. It's your name when I'm a shadow.
Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Ashanti International. It's your name when I'm a shadow.
she go tell it to my face, oh yeah. It's over, my baby say over. It's over, it's over. She dey tell me say over. 21st century, so she go tell it to my face, oh yeah. It's over, she dey tell me say over. It's over, it's over. My baby say over.
Me see me pretty girl, why you do me so? Although me sweetie darling, I have fallen. Can't you see I know they feel they go? I never tell you no lie. Baby girl, why you do me so? Never you say bye bye. To the end of time, I saw that thing they go. Me see me pretty girl, why you do me so? Why you do me so? Although me sweetie darling, I am falling. Can't you see I know they feel they go?
As I dey sleep, I be counting my ceiling. Oh my God, what I'm feeling. 21st century, so she go tell it to my face. Oh yeah, it's over. My baby say over. It's over, it's over. She dey tell me say over. 21st century, so she go tell it to my face. Oh yeah, it's over.
So good morning to you, DJ Airtime. Airtime now say there. What's your hand? We are about there. Alright, so music from Echo Marvel. Echo Marvel. That's marvelous. Alright, so on 12th of February, Marvel City Entertainment and the Marvel City Band presents the Marvel Fest 2022. We're at the pre-Valentine edition. It's a good night to show love and enjoy good music, or enjoy good live band music made in Akimoda. So come, let's party together at A2 Pub. Always, and some of them it's the Marvel City and the Marvel City Band. Marvel Fest 2020. Right, into a Marvel Nipa board way. Nakopon Ayadoma 12 February. Oh yeah, sure, cause you're buying a friend of Marvel Fest. Marvel Fest. Marvel Fest. The against if one I have 15 cities. I won't want to my 15 cities. Some way news why 20 cities. Maybe I try dressing it kakra, and I thought of red because I approve Valentine. And to don't have the maybe I try for girlfriend or wife or yele ukuni idea. For moment now. See what are they go for? For veterans now we enjoy good live band music. Then the madam masa. It's a rejoice if you have been Helba, Anna Helba. He's also performing live with the Marvel City Band. Hey, Joey Popkin, that's Breba Kwame, Kwame Kansan Roy, X Taylor, Kochi, and a Shanstika. And Tinako Poyat, my because we always. Pop Honoma, I call Marvel the king of high live music in Akimoda. Osebra, now faith. Then chilling in Tia Nomania, the idea. Open your tickets in Biato, and kind from Haya. But if you hear about your tickets in Biato, watch a man sign FM Abenebiato, Uko Ofie FM Abenebiato, Afia Uko always A2 Pop Onzwa, Abenebiato. Wait me off 0553 379 187 0553 379 187. And also, I'm not sure baby, I will be under the tickets in the bro. Open the tickets in the bro. Maybe your friend away. 0553 379 187. Not young fat tickets in the bro, baby, I will be. Domina sana wadatie wa unimse mene wana bo se wawa domina wa unimse mene wana bo se wawa se odado Come repeat it, you know, mommy, why? Repeat the song for me. Marvelous. Yes, marvelous. Sana wadatie wa unimse mene wana bo Domina mindo bina sana wadatie wa unimse mene wana bo
Chimia machimia mamia gaza mede me last power do wa mani akata cause I bet chimia matelia na mastaga etina makofa chenia mamu akasa fi se me ko Pentecost me bobangu me na nani David se me bosenku me ma wani age oba hema ensu oba nie na nim dane na nantu etima yenye brana yenye no monhye brana yenye na gensi for nente na yenhye oda tade na yenhye ya ho ofe na yentena se yenye metu matthew from Achimota to Lagos the agency for nekeka ni yebugo se obetu chorus be no me say yogurt makoma ya wedi anti me don de yebunus.
Right, so music from Ekomavo, Domina Mindovi. Domina Mindovi. I love this song. Anyway, me the pan. Hey, I said we got I said they can't do pound. I don't know that be on. I said more. When they want to go, I'm a jail, my clinic. I'm a jail, my clinic. I be part of the Kajubia with CBCC and say. You see, sometimes when you review how the man, about one night was your phone in a baby. I was a phone in himself the idea and one. I say a copper that can't be enough. The Cotas are CB or yeah, or now much is here. But myself, or Yara and say deep said they, who said they are. I'm a gem penny for Sabra. About boy now, favor 2 arena said their man, that's what they were home. Okopima, I'm so I felt, you know, Arabia to do on my web nice of Dr. Aisha say, one time, I'm waiting this crowd about. Right, you know, share infertility, typhoid, syphilis, hepatitis B, and as C, kidney problem, menstrual problem, Nina, and I could die at my J Herbal Clinic. Far gone to China, come out for quarter to Anyway, let me say this on record. The whole Ghana and Kazana Obi and Bo Radio Suda. Onanga Sama of Nangasa, me watch Nangasa and the Mushin. I say, Una no way. Odoya music of a Comavo. So in the meantime, I'm going to make catch on my J Herbal Clinic. My patch was a brand to go to real menstrual pain. Oh, Shabu distracting me. My patch of 0244877840 0205045665. I'm my J Herbal Clinic. I see why you're so few. I said, forget your problem, my sister, happy yourself. Cause if your problem is 99, think it gon' make them 100. Right, yeah, so you can put on your dancing shoes. Me do what you mean, Yajma. Right, International Senior High School. I'm on a fast track remedial school. I don't want to my boom. You're from Great Nationals. Great Nationals. National Senior High School and a fast track remedial school. I watch more than her. I'm coming to my boom. And I'm registering for one person 2022 Wasi. After your remedial classes and so on. We are general art students, visual arts, home economics, agricultural science, and as a general science. We say we remedial classes in Ibima. My name Flavi. We call Achem Oda Rich Experimental Honum, and I say stop over. Stop over. Me opposite Kaneshi fast food. I won't continue. When you do on my social share fast track for I was a fast track on my tent to be AC anymore. I was stop over on man. I'll be home. If I corner register now also turn off there can they can year pan university. Can year pan nurses training. Can year pan teachers training. Maybe I'll say we chakobiala. Great Nationals as a bra. Not yet register. Not yet found for pre-SHS classes. no ma woman omo wie JHS no me pa che pre SHS classes ba opesa wo cho wasidi so a na waba
just go crazy.
Your classes no Ridge Experimental JHS wa. The open your forms nibin swata fast track tent no. Ya boy was stop over opposite Kaneshi fast food wa. Continue from 24 for further enquiries 0244 923 636 0244 923 636 0244 923 636. No friend pen for Imbus Herbal Mixture. Imbus Herbal Mixture. Imbus Herbal Mixture. Aha.
Forget your problem, so my brother. Crying yes, I said forget your problem, so my sister.
It's crying here.
If your problem is
yeah, don't want me booster. If I job ya ja 2 man. It's a copy police in here do ni bi na to sisi a.
Yes, so be bye.
Your friend Imbus Herbal Mixture. Now what pebia no nom sisi a na fe boost immune system no. Na wonya hoden sonkopa. This was a drugstore bi akwa obenye bi ato friend 24 0246 208 496 and 0540710113.
So my sister, hey, happy
Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise.
If your problem be 90,
wholesale and also retail. And they sell books at Akogu shop, Akogu school, office. Your price is very moderate and affordable. And to buy baby at that phone call, don't pay biato. You watch more than supermarket opposite Ghana Commercial Bank. Patch offer was 0244 293632 0244 293632 and 0203 083031.
you have life. Don't try to cry. So if you get what you want, shout hallelujah.
So if you want to hear more of a Komavo, and I'm just going to point out 12 February. Always pop. 15 cool cities on Kwan. Moye mi enu so 20 cities. Ade we sisi ebebem. Sabo what I say, I won't say sisi ebebem. Father say many men kwa na me kwa 15. Sabo kwa 15. But 7 sabo na kwa 20. Crazy. Ele bo afo. Ade 7 person ne. Then answer sabo mi 15 for 5 for brand yanko. Hey, but ebefa enko for ya bad we grow up enko for nko nkwa woni hu o me ko tutu enko for be shada ko tutu because o mu ko mu mienu 50 na be 30 to mu mienu ko be shada ko ha boys boys fella na me ye bie no
put on your dancing shoes
but anyway who person what be brave of come avoa Charlie repeating you ni bie no mu ntie the reason why e was so mko a Komavo show no I will always pop A2 pop I will always 12 February and 8 right it's enche I think it's ever happen that by Saturday right and into the me patch TNT also ko TNU way yen sha say
FM Marvel
The Mid-Morning Show have a blessed day.
Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your niasa. Rabbit them. Don't sunny when I diasa. Yes, my diasa. I say forget your problem, so my brother. Crying niasa. I say forget your problem, so my sister. Hey, happy yourself. Cause if your problem is 99, thinking go make 100. Timen to be a moment, dear watcher. Crying niasa, so be bye. Oh, be bye. Crying niasa, so be bye. Put on your dancing shoes. Brian Yasa, Rabbi Jim, Tunsani, when I diasa, yes, I'm a diasa. I said, forget your problem, so my brother. Brian Yasa, forget your problem, so my sister, hey, happy yourself. Cause if your problem be 99, thinking go make 100. Brian Yasa, be fine. Swear, Abasama, diasa, I swear. As long as you have life, don't try to cry. Baby, go go gaga, go go, baby. Get it on, want it all get. So if you get what you want, shout hallelujah. But you don't get what you want, Jack China Beba. Hey, yo ni awono, amra mayeniasa, yo ni bienso, amra mayeniasa, yo pe kunu yo pe yere, momra, and it is sakotosa, baby. Just go crazy. Fabebo.
We on free crime. On free takrade, on free kumase.
As long as you
have to send I am with you and grand for no money. There is so fragile more than Chrome here. And no one I would say a friend of Comavo. Or free a chimo than Chrome here. And I go point out my 12 year or your program. Me pacho. Or your program no. We are sure send I Accra TCB nearby. So if I'll bet you a Sika
shout hallelujah, but you don't get.
And Sinako point out my men that way that enemy. Jessica, Nako share Comavo for a chimo down Chroma ya. Kono Monumpa, the number Kuzuni.
I want to be with you each and every day. I cannot live without my boo girl. She be my sweet mama Zita, sexy lady. This girl gonna kill me. Come eat my banana, pretty lady.
Asawa MC says applause. Joyce Eni must say good afternoon everyone. Evangelist Ofosu Watts Noah was it greetings to my wife Mrs. Blessing Ofosu at Asaman Kase. Kwame Edmond was it from Achim Akrofufu. Brakobin, I'm enjoying your show right now at Achim Akrofufu. Please keep doing the good work for our mother Ghana. Sure I will.
Oh yeah, Nanta.
This one says you be bad guy. Today you switched from Atupahi to Okutu. You want to tease the guy and you said people are rather saying it. And go for the can't me one kameka.
Kodunin kati eneko. Tibrayen to a pasako. Lion chairman said, Yedo ye asonko. Odoti asema yanko. Can I open me or do you meto? Say now we have me and Rano. I need more girl. Say now we have Wunyamano and Rana Kumio. Guess you were near for a
happy belated birthday and Koma Ifia Slen. Happy belated birthday to Ifia Slen. Way every jazz music manager. Kobina Slen, me and me are Kobina.
Oh, yeah, Nanta.
How do you go for the old room and go for you with taste? Eva. Reality taste. Eva. Reality taste. And once again, happy belated birthday and Koma Ifia Slen. This is coming from Kobina Slen. Mama was having someone in Tafo, and I beg, when we fear the Kobina, my Tafo. Alright, so when your birthday, so you share the same birthday with Shelly Ayoko Bojwe. He's a Ghanaian politician who serves as a Ghana's Minister for Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration. So she was appointed by Ghana President Nana Addo as Minister of Foreign on 10th January 2017. So she was a member of Parliament from Anya Soto from 2013 to 2021. Anam had served as Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs and the Minister of State at the Ministry of Water Resources, Works and Housing under John Kufuor. Alright, so I can start the podium is here. So this is a music from a Komavu again. A friend who made the Johnny B.I. the dream. Akosa fa shower so. Let's see your money abono. Menya meche ticket to Agosia. E come out show menya meche ticket. Yeah. Anyway, uni for one way. E come out. Aba. Wabino, brana betibi o. Atina wabinia, wabino beta beti. Se. Beti. Beti Abraham beti. Beti. Awa beti. Beti Abraham beti. Beti Kaduana. Beti Abraham beti. Only me person me busa nkofo be 5 bi keke say omo be kwa na okay let me show there me person me busa nkofo 5 say bo be kwa koma bu show na because I mean what him say yeah the artist be free gran eba hey now e koma onim na Matthias say Odan is capable sir say nkofo ka say the east is capable no this time around Odan is capable because I mean, who said this guy will blow? I will say you started hashtag.
Na enyumi ya o
come out must blow.
Enyumi ya sisi ya wo boy. Ubedi na ubedi. I say anansem to say enyumo no abakwasem enyumo sem. Mama fa be 4-5 calls be 0554820910. I mean, who guy na say ankasa wo kro first caller. Boss. Pabla? Yes, boss. Pabla? Mr. Obi. Boko. Yako pando mo adem pana nzo e. Oh, kala boko. Na me stop na nyumu huni sen. Boy na ngasa huni sen. Kabla be he me na bo mutiko ha o. Na piatum ena me no o ebi di asa. Etimi me ko bi. Enti asa o pen kofo bebre. Onko ana o kwa 15 series. Mo ye mienu so 20. Won set that form pa. Ene de emiesa. Mo ene mo bo ska no. Why? Yo. Mate. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Because I would do common care, my dating account. You're frozen.
Angwa ni wanti.
Angwa?
Yeah.
The one you more of you chrome higher own is saying.
Oh, I knew them 100%.
Two bound, chief on your mobile. Memenda yao always 82 pounds. Open ticket teams out of my kind of when you be out. Why?
Na also check ticket.
Now, but tell me, match be pound. Why?
Chamba come code and I'm code.
Who the Nabutra mami? Ticket the me Machabe 5 to the Nabutra mami. Why?
Famasa Bumleme.
Martina Shabu there, bro, Mati. What's your tomb? Shabu, I want to be my back for brain. Hello? Hey, coffee. Coffee dance there. Coffee do radio the Kakra. Coffee is out there come out with only minute.
Oh, we know. Bueno, I super.
It's you, baby, only a Ketuano. And again, Ojawana.
Oh, Charlie, get into me, and come to watch them.
I don't know quite be any munana.
Hey, me TV now. Batman saw man can be washing.
I don't know quite be any munana.
Okay. Uncle was of our own. I want them come on the washing. But I try a frost as a free.
The friendly coffee praise because a free cocktail.
Coffee.
Chairman.
Coffee now today.
Oh, Michelle, over can iska.
Charlie, that coffee praise electrical shop was maybe I should here.
Oh, yeah, she you. No 50 about you.
What's it? What's it? Charlie, that you can't say, you come out with you. I remember that.
On the or that, you pay free show. Yes, the Jumano Moy and Uncle. Yambra 15 cities, 20 minutes Guinness, 20 minutes Gizzard. Yambra Nipa me and Usika 15 cities, 20 cities here. Full. Yamani and best support. Now, almost are the normal and Tom Witch. My uncle free shows are free or dance festival free. Now it's free, free, or dance are having. Yanti near man and your friend.
Right. What's it when I say call? Right, hey, do I come out? Betty, I'm a father. Go better at the partner. I said that. Hello. Yes, boss. You're from saying. MP.
Papa.
And you're not saying how feeling is saying.
Papa, I'm not talking about you.
Hey, Pacho, I be who quite it. Oh, there be and who are one producer?
Oh, no, producing another.
I know one. It's just an animal honor me na me tia when you be na. When you want to tear anyway, yeah. Aye, I can't say na block me. Oh, but so na me that ya until when you want the bra. Why? Mati, Pablo. Na at the power who rezi we be. Nipa no friend no say nko be wash for ba no. Na wo say wo ye hwan. Me say nko ya ye obi a me ni enim no. Da me nim ne de ko ba na ewu ahye no. Ana oba na nko ewu ahye no no. Say ewiase ma you do me I do you. Nti no oba no akokonya ye no lucky no oba na ewu ahye no. Ana ba ko sonson no su ewu. Owu ahye oba no. Aw. Oba be ma de owu sho oba ye be we ye kama fa. Nti ano no edane na agege ma ho to say agege ban ho ye am atim ba misia na se ho me se na atwu we de agege ma wo yansa nkyire ni o daddy ara ya ko na ndra me ma pon na me ko fi wasi me ko sidu asanem bra na won fare me ko na na say hey Ose fade hin na kwesi no. Ose mi go na. Fa na tina wati ana say dey. Na had no person ni kwesi no. Se mi ade ko o di kwa kwesi no. Mi ni ma de kwa di kwesi no. Okay, ka mi ni be se chira ko. Se na sa de enu mum de ya. Na de o ya academy na. Se mi vi se aye ka na se won se na se kofo bi de alumini na nam kromu ati bi se. Aka mi be se chira ko. Ana one financial so no post anka ade ntuma ka ho met ka bocation ka ade sisi na no be beta na unkosi mi ma me na we se de otie na san na alobi e betwa no ade uncomfort on alobi wa ka di se rebis panel ya go antina se kura rabra kura ka se ha na mo sole fi wa na we twa wa me nya ho duro fa wo mo Sani rap na kan.
Sani okan.
Sani kan ya.
Se wo kan no etwa ne mana. Odo boy na si no so wo hu aduro ko ne be won kwada no mo ho ato wo mo.
Iti mbusa no.
Bisa no.
Se sani okan.
Sani okan.
Da be no kan.
Sunday ya.
Eno ka se kan ya lomi.
Se kan ni twa kwada na. Won nya hu aduro no ko na si ni no.
Sifom ni onko.
Mami sifom a.
Sifom.
Na mi nim se moko ya no.
Moko.
Ode mame komla. Na me se na watwe de atopa he wo yense nkyere ni. Wonom na sa nkwan.
We DJ time 7 chow man.
Oh meje no so pa. Afi won hye ni kotodwe mu den. Ene ne na mu den. Na ejina kono.
Ade.
Ejina kono papa.
Okay. Say eno so ye
me da ya. Nti ye mpe coach banza bia wase. Mpe coach bia.
At time. Ya wad na wo bofo na wo na woman bosomefo share 5 no. Unim say nka nyame anka yentimi antika no ba kokora.
Anya wan ya.
Orem say me ma first go ni ba.
Sa.
Ana ni park no so.
Na mo sunsu me hu.
Oh then okay, me dey went to do Kobe. Na woni ho.
Into na ma assist no.
Na da bi me na me boy keeper ne de buy. O de buy na we kun be bo share na nka be say.
Na o de mama nti from na me nko da say minim say ekofo bi no. Ayi ye ka ne say we ye tiawa. Won say no. Say bridge bi na da no mo be ye sinsuo mu akobla be ka say nkofo yogu nkofo tetewa na dudi bone wo ho no. Ayi Roma de ko old education.
Baby da ho de me ko GM kwan so.
Ai
amehu anya on ye bo asum jo fon no
ne soro ho no se omayo bridge no
sa
ne se minim so odan ayi empenifo ka so omo keka ne masie ni ombetimi aye pa omayo bridge ni na tie won se kosi dwom enti ayi womo se ema na womo ton ade wo kwa no old education tire wona womo sisi containers no ententem fitin na kwabena ekosi atena na de chen so womo sisa womo ntutu om containers ni mfiri hono mo womo ntutu mfiri anu anim ya na kwa na eba aka akra na duru wono nti wei womo ntutu mfiri ante sa de na grader ni si kwa no so sa eba de bebu bu containers ni na mfiri hono mo enti wei eyi kabatiawa ana me de mamo de makote wo masomo me mpese ye betuma no aduane aguo enti mo amunim se kwan ye besi dwom enti mamo ntra wona mpanifo emfa grader mbesi won tutu mo niam asana mo ye o manya ni ye mo sisa mfidi wa na ne metete no si ye bedwiri mo niam na egu afiri wa do enti mo sisa mo niam no
ade ho side nkofo no wo
se container sisi kwan no so beka wo
no munim so ho ye kwan on the container go sisi wo
ena wo maka chom so mo yi mfiri wo ena sti wo mo da so te wo
na se we wan yi na se we dwira se we
enti mo yi me da send abeda meka enti mo yi mfiri ho na grader no ene ya efi ho kwa no so e ba grader na e ba ye bedwiri enti mo yi mfiri ho no mo tentem na mo ambeka se assembly member bi na MP bi ene mo ani mo yi mo nyama no emfiri ho ne metete no se grader na nam kwa so ba e bedwiri
disi da be na bedwiri na mo ho preko
na se de se na wotwi ya o se da be na bedwiri
na wotwi ya eti omo
empenifo se omo ma mo fitin na ekopem ni fiada so
okay woni ma yeso nka asam nso kire empenifo sa munim se kwan we munya ma adwe se mo ba be ye ni sese a munja na nkofo no fam containers yo uni ta me kasa no
ada ya adwen na
unim on ba to pressure se na munyi container no ye be yi efuro na ye afede nya be mi fensi ekwan yi so 17 years na ye nya hwe wo so
old education there Roman to old education
sa kwan da honye se nye ne
so mo be yes ayi ne de bridging de esi wo be afefe na etire kula
na me kan se so omunim so me da no ebu baby
pacho uni mo bebu aka wasem ne nko
be no ma no but we dey ma me to so omunim se omu be ye me toto pressure ma me use unnecessary pressure e de ma me fo no ana obi an containers yo
no yi free
ho na se mo anya kwan na ekroma no ye na mo mfa no ye ekroma
na motre
ye na mo mfa no ye
ekroma enu ntina mate se kwabena woni se ye de ye kote ane abeka ye beka so de ne enu ntina we enkra ne ye amate na mabeka kire mo de mo yi mo niam ne de e free ho
mo de mo yi na mo anya se yen tu
ya da so te ya ha ya ne wonti mo de he munyi wai
Na ma fa grade bia medwiri amese am niam akontena no to bo ase o mayi ni kama abenya baby ade besi entimu da munje ni kama fa firi ho ma wo mo na mo fa mo grade amla na so ma anya
ye wo krom ha
enyina ye wa ha
ye wo krom ha because ye hu bi da na ya ti bi nso da but ma pressure san na fe nkofo prom na nkofo ye say afi da mu wi a na de no
Enti wo de fiti na de commercial empake na Tuesday ko si ni Friday na de chenye so no
na mo wie
ti na mo wie te na de ko na se mo wie bibia na so mo anya
na se wo so anya from babu na so
sa ene ne o sika sem bia na de ka so obi me obi antwi ahwe
ti no wanyi na ye bubu dia
eno ano no
wa nkoma
eno ano no
prapre na fe
amen prapre chira na minim se moko wadi benku awie na wo ya yi no so no atamoko no ni chance na twia wa no nom no se nkwan
eno so free
dio ye nkwan
eno so free
me kama asem
dabi
na agega ma oho
agega agega ma no moko no na mo shana o me obeka chere me say tie obeka chere me say Kobe eba na ono yesi na me say aden o say me bom ano so twede
so wa bo awie
na me say den ni me bo no just on the penise ko na say ubo ano so twede ya say moja ba o say o dabi mi busa sha wo me ncha say na say sa ko di aba
ko di dio so
kede sa okonu moko
odi aduane ni wie Tabi chen wa di aduane na wie
na moko na aka ho asem na
se wo di nkwan aduane de wotam nom wotam nkwan nom ana no so adi ebenku ni moko awie ana watam
moko na no beti atopa hi kra ene de mokro ma asem ban kreni beti hey baba beti I was am coffee and on say na say days ni contempa o cha Wednesday
the last week
ana nyame ba na oba on
nti sakra wadwe
me hwe video bi na obi busa se bi so betima ansan requick ne enko o se yase se wo sakra wadwen a atemoda ne ba o se nyankopon yenya yenim se yase nyame be yi video e bia e da se wo fa we wo ye we ne yi video na obi a hwe bi e disi afa se ya de pam no abo adwaman na me hu nyame masesa ti nyame be pepa me video no ya clean ti on judgment day wo wan sesa isi asi you there na some be mu bi o ana me be
be
it's a quite busa question say isi ano no asesa no so no oba bia abo adwaman na se clean on the video na se you oba ne there na obi me wan na
obebem
se nyame ne ndi ni
na wak se de kai oba no oba ne there wan sesa
it's o se nyame ye de TV no odi bibi to boy nanim se na ba ye yi ga ne there na because some dey wa clean me there it's what they say ba nkofo so dwin o
papa
ajiwe yo tina de
tikro mu a
From a JD champion watching Cosmos Mikovie. From a Jerusalem, I brand part of perfect jets master. Then come across the party mass DJ Shabu Kobi K, Mr. Charles, Nana to Pan Hibon.